Good afternoon. My name is Loch MacDonald. I'm a senior at Northeastern University majoring in computer science and math, and I'm very excited to talk to you today about the operating systems team opportunity at Google. I've already had some experience working on operating systems before, namely through my co-op at Akamai where I was on the Linux kernel team. While there, I was working primarily on memory management subsystems in Linux, specifically on improving reporting in the memory subsystem when an allocation would fail. This was essential in our production systems where a failed allocation could cause serious issues. I had to work to write patches in C to improve the memory reporting. The patches would be applied directly to the Linux kernel. And then I had to run comprehensive test suites on several dozen servers in production in order to make sure that once it got deployed to all several 100,000 servers in production, the actual memory analytics would work properly. Before this, I was working on a somewhat different project at my first co-op at Carbonite. There, I was on the analytics platform, not writing C, but JavaScript. We developed a tag router in Node.js to improve our analytics system. This would basically handle various analytics tags from across all of our websites and affiliates. We were basically building a pipeline that would handle and collect all of the analytics beacons and requests and move them into the same database. Although I was writing JavaScript, this was more of a back-end DevOpsy role, where I was doing a lot of work such as migrating servers from in-house to AWS or developing continuous integration solutions for all of our subsystems. The reason that I'm excited for this role is primarily because of the team that I'd be working with, in addition to the opportunity that I would get from working specifically at Google. Working at Google would mean that I'm working on a kernel that's going to be used around the world in probably millions of different servers, and the ability to work on something so important and widely used would really be pretty amazing. I'd also have the opportunity to work with some of the best talent in the industry. It's no secret that the kernel teams at Google are really talented, and some of the most important Linux contributors work there, and to be on the same team as them would really be an amazing opportunity. Lastly, I think that working with Linux as a whole is really important to me because of the open source foundations that it came from. I think the fact that Google is so willing to contribute patches and provide source to other parties is really important. And this sort of form of collaboration is one of the great ideals of computer science. Being able to work on Linux and see my work show up in different operating systems worldwide would really be a dream come true. It was really nice talking to you today, and I hope that you consider me for this position. Thank you.